What? A nigga burnt out production. For sure.
A day in the life of burnt out is so trill. Swag so high, but that's just the way I live. Stacking these chippers, skyscrapers and dippers. Hold steady jogging, that's how I broke my zipper. I broke my zipper on the bitch. Talking about groupies while I'm stacking my chips. I bees that nigga, grimy on mine. They call me out on hands as I drop these punchlines like a K9, also known as a hound. Southeast believe your boy be there go bound. Don't forget the trouble, known for doing dirt, but stay beating a nigga, putting in work. What it do? Sky's the limit. I'm on a cloud, putting blunts in the air, same size as mouse. Watch vans, match the skittles. These birds got a riddle. I'm a man about mine, and grill let me nibble. I dig the way you wiggle and perk it up a little. I'm the big gap that you miss it in the middle. A day in the life, how erotic is that? How this fish stay frying? Got some sauce for that? A day in the life of burnt out is so trill. Swag so high, but that's just the way I live. Stacking these chippers, skyscrapers and dippers. Hold steady jocking, that's how I broke my zipper. I broke my zipper once again, trying to go hard on a Puerto Rican. Best believe she's a freak, she wanna bar, could she be a little freak or my all-star? I told the bitch to hold up too, till she broke the zipper on my Avizus. Got to the spot where it got high sticky, baby girl had body and cakes like Nicki Minaj. Promise I'ma go, young original, putting both fuel and flames on these motherfucking flows. Cocky in this bitch, going hard on the bitch, causing on the bitch, getting money, stacking chips, money too long to be held by paper clips. That's rich, yeah, get all that bitch, yeah, that you heard me. Smoke that kush like my trains with its own chimney. A day in the life of burnt out is so trill. Swag so high, but that's just the way I live. Stacking these chippers, skyscrapers and dippers. Hold steady jocking, that's how I broke my zipper. Have to come with a third, straight up, I don't think they know that's my word. What it do, man? Get this sword from the nipple showing, at attention, finalization. You know the nigga got game for my bid in. I got clothes, but I call you my living. Swag so high, it's through the ceiling. Burnt out, double locals, me admissions. I'm that Jenny Grant wishes for your missus. Why she blowing kisses, then fuck, now she washing dishes. I'm the real McCoy, fuck baby boy. You want some nuts? Then here's the almond juice. Real game for that ass, comprehend, you surpass. You broke my zipper, that's the thing of the past. Burnt out, do it big, it's a human hop on to a city near you, then I'm gone. Day in the life of burnt out is so trill. Swag so high, but that's just the way I live. Stacking these chippers, skyscrapers and dippers. Hold steady jocking, that's how I broke my zipper. That's how we do it. For sure. It's me, baby. Y'all know who's spitting this shit. That's how I do it. For sure. And dippers. Be jocking, that's how I broke my zipper. Yeah. You know how I be. That's what it do, honey. To the full.